I was so excited when I finally replaced the old, dingy linoleum in my kitchen with beautiful new hardwood. But the thrill faded fast when my cheap spray mop started leaving behind sticky residue, and my attempts at deep cleaning only resulted in hazy streaks. I realized I needed the sanitizing power of steam, but choosing the right machine felt overwhelming. Are rotating pads better than a classic pocket mop? What about vacuums that steam at the same time? After testing the entire Shark lineup on my own floors, I'm breaking down the best Shark floor steamers available, so you don't ruin your hard floors like I almost did. Let's find out which one is the ultimate cleaning companion. 7. Shark Steam Pickup Vacuum Mop. The immediate appeal of this 3-in-1 machine is its promise to sweep, deep scrub, and steam sanitize simultaneously. When you're dealing with the chaos of everyday life, the idea of skipping the pre-sweeping step is incredibly enticing. It features a motorized, antimicrobial brush roll designed to capture both wet and dry debris while the steam powers through stuck-on dirt. In our testing, it successfully removed dried mud from the entryway without requiring us to pull out a separate vacuum beforehand. The machine is remarkably lightweight for a multifunctional device, weighing under 7 pounds. This makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and carry up a flight of stairs without straining your back. The debris is ingeniously separated within the nozzle. Wet and dry messes are collected in a quick empty tray that detaches in seconds for easy disposal. We appreciated that the self-cleaning brush roll continuously clears itself as you clean, preventing the dreaded spread of dirty water across freshly mopped floors. It's also certified to remove 99.9% of common household bacteria using just water. However, despite its innovative design, the steam pickup falls short in a few critical areas when put to the test in a real home environment. While it claims to handle all types of debris, we found it struggled significantly with pet hair and human hair. Instead of lifting it effortlessly, the machine tends to push larger clumps of hair around the floor, or worse, wrap it tightly around the motorized brush roll. This requires you to stop cleaning, detach the brush roll, and manually untangle the hair, which completely negates the time saved by skipping the pre-vacuuming step. Furthermore, the steam output, while adequate for light daily maintenance, lacks the intense, targeted power needed to blast through heavily concentrated, sticky stains like dried syrup or hardened jelly. 6. Shark Steam Pocket Mop Hard Floor Cleaner. This is arguably the machine that popularized steam cleaning for the average homeowner. Its enduring popularity is a testament to its straightforward, user-friendly design. It operates on the simple principle of heating water to produce pure steam, which safely sanitizes sealed hard floors without the need for harsh chemicals. During our tests, the lightweight construction and agile swivel steering made it incredibly easy to navigate tight corners in the bathroom and glide gracefully around the base of the kitchen island. The standout feature of the Pocket Mop is its reversible, dual-sided microfiber cleaning pads. When one side gets dirty, you simply flip the mop head over and continue cleaning with a fresh surface, effectively doubling your cleaning capacity before you need to swap pads. The extra-large water reservoir holds enough water to tackle substantial square footage without forcing you to constantly run back to the sink for refills. Additionally, the fast-drying capability ensures that your floors are safe to walk on almost immediately after you finish mopping. However, the simplicity of the S3501 is also its biggest limitation when compared to more modern iterations in the Shark lineup. This model relies entirely on a pump-action mechanism to generate steam. You have to physically push the handle down with each stroke to release the steam through the pad. While this provides some control over the moisture level, it becomes surprisingly fatiguing during an extended cleaning session. Your arms and shoulders will definitely feel the burn after mopping an entire open-concept living space. Moreover, because the steam is only released when you pump the handle, the temperature and volume of the steam can feel inconsistent. It lacks the continuous, pressurized steam delivery that blasts through heavy grime effortlessly. 5. Klik and Flip Stay on Mo. The Klik and Flip technology is genuinely brilliant in its execution. The mop head is designed to attach to the reusable microfiber pads entirely hands-free. You simply position the mop head over the pad, click it into place, and you're ready to go. When one side is dirty, you flip it over, and when you're finished, a release button drops the dirty pad directly into the laundry basket without you ever having to touch the grime. During our testing, we were highly impressed by the intelligent steam control system. Unlike the manual pump action of the S3501, the Klik and Flip features an electronic steam control that delivers a continuous, even flow of steam. This ensures a consistent temperature across the entire microfiber pad, resulting in a streak-free finish on delicate surfaces like laminate and sealed hardwood. The double-sided dirt grip pads are incredibly absorbent, lifting and locking in dirt rather than just pushing dirty water around the room. Where this mop truly shines is in its targeted cleaning capabilities. When you encounter a tough, dried-on mess, you can flip the mop head backward to engage the steam blaster mode. This directs a concentrated, high-powered blast of steam directly downward onto the stain, breaking it apart in seconds before you flip the mop back over to wipe it away. It's an incredibly satisfying feature that eliminates the need for intense scrubbing or chemical pretreatments, making quick work of sticky spills in the kitchen or muddy paw prints in the entryway. While it is a fantastic performer, it lands at number 5 because it still requires manual physical effort to push the flat pad across the floor, while the steam does the heavy lifting in terms of breaking down dirt. 4. Shark SteamSpot with Steam Blaster technology. Taking the 4th spot on our list is the Shark SteamSpot with Steam Blaster technology, Model S 2001. This mop feels like a refined, streamlined evolution of Shark's core steam technology, designed specifically for precision and adaptability. Weighing in at under 5 pounds, it features a sleek, agile design that makes it incredibly maneuverable. In our testing, the swiveling head slipped effortlessly under low-profile cabinets and expertly navigated around the complicated legs of dining room chairs. The SteamSpot introduces highly adaptable cleaning modes, offering a choice between light, normal, and deep steam settings directly on the handle interface. This flexibility is crucial for homes with varied flooring types. We use the light setting to gently dust and refresh delicate engineered hardwood without risking moisture damage, and then cranked it up to deep mode to aggressively sanitize the high-traffic ceramic tiles in the mudroom. It heats up in a rapid 30 seconds, and the continuous corded power ensures you never lose steam pressure halfway through a job. Like the Klik and Flip, it heavily features Shark's Steam Blaster technology, but the application is even more intuitive here. When you hit a stubborn spot, a simple press of the handle trigger unleashes a powerful, targeted blast of steam directly onto the mess. Shark claims this delivers up to 50% better stuck-on stain removal compared to traditional steam mops. And our practical test backed this up. Hardened jelly spots melted away almost instantly under the concentrated heat. The dual-action, machine-washable pads are excellent, featuring dirt grip technology for absorption and tough scrub strips for breaking up grime. However, the water tank, while easy to remove and refill, is slightly smaller than some of the bulkier models. 3. Shark S1000 Steam Mop. The S1000 strips away the complex electronic settings in multiple modes to deliver pure, unadulterated, lightweight steam cleaning power. At its core, this machine is designed to be the ultimate grab-and-go solution for daily messes. It is incredibly compact and easy to store, making it the perfect tool to pull out quickly when the dog tracks mud through the kitchen or someone spills a sugary drink on the floor. Despite its minimalist approach, the performance during our testing was outstanding. It heats up water incredibly fast, generating powerful, sanitizing steam in less than a minute. The true star of the S1000 is the extra-large, easily removable water tank. We were able to mop an entire floor of a moderately sized house without having to stop and run back to the sink. This uninterrupted cleaning flow is a massive time saver, and makes the chore feel far less tedious. The S1000 utilizes Shark's excellent dirt grip pads, which are thick, highly absorbent, and feature specialized scrubbing fibers woven throughout the microfiber. These pads glide smoothly over sealed hard floors, grabbing onto fine dust and breaking up light stains effortlessly. Because the steam output is consistent and the pads absorb moisture so well, it leaves floors virtually dry within seconds of passing over them, practically eliminating the risk of water damage on sensitive surfaces like laminate. While it lacks the targeted steam blaster feature of the models ranked below it, it earns its high placement due to its sheer reliability, ease of use, and incredible value. It doesn't require you to decipher complicated settings. You just plug it in, wait a few seconds, and start cleaning. It is the perfect, straightforward workhorse for anyone who wants chemical-free sanitization and beautifully clean floors without any unnecessary bells and whistles complicating the process. 2. Shark Steam and Scrub with Steam Blaster Technology. Just missing the top spot at number 2 is the remarkable Shark Steam and Scrub with Steam Blaster Technology, model S8201. This machine represents a massive leap forward in floor care by combining powerful steam sanitization with active, motorized scrubbing. Instead of a traditional flat pad that you have to push forcefully across the floor, this model features 2 circular, motorized mop heads that rapidly rotate over 150 times per minute. The moment you turn on, the machine practically pulls itself forward, doing all the hard scrubbing work for you. During our testing, the efficiency of this motorized scrubbing action was immediately apparent. It easily powers through the kind of tough, sticky grime that would normally require you to get down on your hands and knees with a scrub brush. Shark claims it offers up to 3 times better stain removal than traditional steam mops, and watching it effortlessly erase dried-on mud and scuff marks made us believers. The dual rotating pads lift and polish the floor simultaneously, leaving behind a brilliant streak-free shine. The S8201 is packed with premium features, most notably the integration of the Steam Blaster technology. When the rotating pads encounter a truly stubborn, concentrated mess, you can trigger a powerful burst of targeted steam to loosen the dirt before the pads scrub it away. It also features 3 distinct steam modes: light, normal, and deep, allowing you to customize the moisture and heat levels based on the sensitivity of your flooring and the severity of the mess. The addition of bright LED headlights on the floor head is a brilliant touch, illuminating hidden dust and grime under cabinets and in dimly lit hallways. The swiveling steering is incredibly responsive, allowing you to glide the dual rotating heads around furniture legs with surprising grace. 1. Shark Steam and Scrub All-in-One Scrubbing and Sanitizing Hard Floor Steam Mop. Taking the crown as the ultimate shark floor steamer is the Shark Steam and Scrub All-in-One, model S8001. This machine perfects the motorized steam cleaning experience, offering an unmatched combination of effortless power, sleek design, and superior cleaning results. Like the S8201, it features dual rotating microfiber pads that scrub your floors over 150 times per minute, but the S8001 feels even more refined and perfectly balanced in hand. The motorized action completely eliminates the need for manual scrubbing, gliding effortlessly across sealed hardwood, tile, and marble. In our rigorous testing, the S8001 outperformed every other model when it came to consistent, streak-free cleaning. The continuous, intelligent steam delivery ensures that the rotating pads are always at the perfect temperature and moisture level, sanitizing the floor and eliminating 99.9% of bacteria without leaving excess water behind. We watched it power through dried coffee spills, muddy footprints, and greasy kitchen residue with astonishing ease. The scrubbing action is tough on dirt, but incredibly gentle on your floors, polishing them to a high shine as it cleans. The user interface on the S8001 is wonderfully intuitive, allowing you to seamlessly switch between steam modes to tackle everything from delicate daily dusting to heavy-duty, deep-set stains. The machine heats up incredibly fast, and the sleek, low-profile design of the scrubbing head allows it to reach deep under baseboards and low furniture, where dirt tends to accumulate unnoticed. It simply makes the chore of mopping faster, easier, and significantly more effective. What elevates the S8001 to the number one position is its flawless execution of the core scrubbing technology. It doesn't rely on gimmicks. It relies on raw, consistent scrubbing power combined with perfectly calibrated steam.